The biggest challenge for us was having information in numerous platforms, as far as communication with guests, as far as work orders, as far as property details, so the fact that these two touch and talk seamlessly all day has really made the process so much smoother. So our call center gets a call from a guest that's got an issue. They punch it in, boom, it goes to dispatch, goes to maintenance. We get somebody out there, we resolve it, guests are happy. And so just the whole process has been so much smoother, so much faster, and it's just really easy to keep track of everything in one system. For us, I know like with scheduling, it's saved a ton of time. Now I haven't done the analysis on pre-Breezeway and now Breezeway, so I don't have hard data of like how much time it saved, but I know just the time saved from our dispatch team who goes through all the work orders to just scheduling the maintenance techs or housekeeping team scheduling the housekeepers, and the fact that it's all automated has just saved so much time. We aren't missing cleans because the auto scheduler is picking them up, and so we're not having upset guests and having to refund cleaning fees. So I think it's a very broad question as far as ROI, but we are definitely seeing very positive results, and we'll continue to use Breezeway for a while. Yeah, I think if I had to say describe the combo of these two systems in three words, it would be automation, time savings, and easy reporting. The fact that the systems communicate without having to go in and double check to make sure it didn't miss something. The fact that it auto schedules based on reservations and reservations are pulled frequently. We can go in and we can select certain things to pull reports on so we can make sure we're keeping track of our housekeepers and making sure our guests are happy. And then, like I talked about with the ROI piece, the time savings across all departments here, I think those three words really sum up the two products. So if anybody's on the edge of deciding whether they want to use Breezeway or not, I think the biggest thing for us is how up to date with technology both platforms are, right? I think Breezeway is on the cutting edge always. Streamline's always making updates. And so the fact that they're always keeping up with what customers need, like us, whether you're in the field, whether you're in the office, whether you're a CEO and you're trying to just see dashboards and making sure your teams are doing what they're supposed to, I just don't think there's two better partners that you could get with. So really appreciate all that they do, and we're excited to be partners with them.